Good evening to you all, as it is evening on my side. I hope you all doing well. What do we have today? iPhone 6s is stuck on a connect to iTunes cable and the iTunes sign, as it is shown there by the screen. I tried all the possible solutions I think I can, avail. So some other time I learned this trick of removing the whole screen, that is inclusive of the home screen, home button, speaker, front camera, and the sensors. Those things, they cause also problems. So as I was doing it now, it was giving me, at this latter time it gave me error, and when it was at 99%. Just imagine. So I win before with this kind of trick. It's the same as the trick of a toothbrush. Have you ever heard of the story of reviving a dead iPhone with a toothbrush? Subscribe for more. So let's see how it's gonna go. It must go up to 100%. So this trick I learned, if you used in broken stuff, in things that are not 100% functionally, you learn a lot. You get your experience there, you get your wisdom out of there, get your knowledge out of there. My dog is drinking water. I got a dog. His name is Fluffy. She's begging me to go outside. She wants to go outside, check something else. She knows the camera light. Nothing else. What is it that you want? What is it? You to go outside. Let's go into the toilet. Let's continue with what we were doing. Sorry for the hiccup. Animal lover. She was just drinking water. So as pets, what they usually do is, I've seen in dogs, is as soon as they finish drinking water, they'll go to the loo. As soon as they finish to eat something, I give it a few minutes. You see, giving me signs that I want to go to the toilet, I want to go to the lavatory. For her to come, she must start make noise outside, and then I say, hey, why are you making noise? And then she will come. See, our progress is at 24%. I also tried to use this option here, as you can see where I'm pointing there, to flash it with iTunes while it's using S2s. S2 is same as 3uTools, only the name S because it's in Chinese version. You can't get it on the English version on a Mac. I don't know up to now. Maybe there are some guys who did it, but as far as I know, as far as I'm concerned, last time I checked, it wasn't possible. For you to operate this, you'll be coming from, if you use Windows for a long time and then you migrate to Apple, it's like that's when you stop learning. Because in Windows you'll be learning every day, guys. I'll tell you, every day is a learning day in Windows machines. Especially to us who were born with that. It's different. Someone who was born with in his house, and someone who was born without, and then you get it while it was not functioning, but you get it. Imagine. And I've added this other mark. It's giving me problems. homebrew can't do as it's supposed to do. I know homebrew is one of the things that gives problems on Mac machine. But I think I win. Check it out, it's on 99. Check. Let me just keep my fingers crossed. If it fails, then you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use the toothbrush revival method. I'll record the video and I'll post it to you. That is if we don't pass here. But before I used to kaboom from the let's see what's checking us. Just keeping my fingers crossed, guys, that everything is gonna work well. I'm just assuming as if it's taking too much time on the 99%. That's a who test. Let's see what's gonna happen, guys. Not my first time to attempt this. What did I tell you guys? What did I just tell you guys? What did I just tell you? Solution found. If you found this video useful, guys, please don't forget to click that button down there where it says subscribe. You know, it gives me power to do more work, you know. Let's share what we know. Let's share our knowledge to make this world a better place. For this world to be the better place, it begins with you, begins with me. Let's change this world for the good. Peace, share, more time.